what if market is excessively algo traded? Will it be counterproductive? So counterproductive, would it be counterproductive? Not really. So when we say algo is essentially what we are saying is that we have automated the execution. Algo does not always mean high frequency trading, right? So you can say if you're trading using, if you're a retail customer and you're trading using an API of interactive brokers or any of the brokers who offer the API access, you're not really trading on a high frequency basis, so you're not a HFT, but you are definitely algo, right? So you are trading using the algos. So it just brings more efficiency, which you can say. So if it is excessively algo traded, then definitely if you are trying to trade the inefficiencies in the market, then it would be a challenge. But because spotting those inefficiencies will be really difficult. But otherwise, no. So otherwise, it's I would not say it would be counterproductive. Another thing is that even for the inefficiencies, if you are targeting that, in that case, it becomes a game of technology and infrastructure. So technology, as the technology keeps on advancing, infrastructure also keeps on advancing in terms of the kind of network access you can have, in terms of kind of systems that you'll be having, hardware infrastructure, network infrastructure, all of that. So that becomes that keeps on becoming more and more expensive, even though the cost of technology keeps on coming down. But with the competition heating up, you always need better and better systems. So HFTs, generally, if you are focused on the on eating on the market inefficiencies, then obviously more the HFT presence in a market, more difficult it would be to spot an inefficiency, because the moment it is there, it's gone. Someone will take it away. Okay.